now what we're going to do is set up our MetaMask Web3 wallet. The reason we're going with MetaMask is because it's very popular. And when it comes to using the Ethereum blockchain, that's where you're going to get access to the majority of NFTs that are on OpenSea. So this is going to be a great wallet for you to set up. Now, the pros is that this is a very easy wallet to use. As long as you have access to your Google Chrome or Brave or whatever browser you're using, you can very easily buy, shop, or pick up NFTs online. So right now we're going to go to metamask.io. Right now we're under my Google Chrome. This is a wallet that we're using for educational purposes. When you're setting up your own wallet, do not share your words with anybody. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the MetaMask wallet. And when you're downloading this, Chanel, you're going to see it in the top right, and it's going to be a Chrome extension tool. So install MetaMask under Chrome. There you go. And one of my favorite things about this wallet is that it works really well with the Trezor and the Ledger as well. So you can definitely equip this with the hardware wallet. We're going to be doing a lot of this later on in the course. What Chanel's doing is she's adding MetaMask as a Chrome extension tool. So the beautiful thing about this type of crypto wallet, again, it's a hot wallet. It's a non-custodial wallet. We're going to own our seed phrase. So what this is going to do is allow us to easily buy NFTs online specifically because it gets you quick access to websites. So in order to connect, for example, a Trust wallet or something of that nature, it just doesn't work. So now we're going to set up our wallet. Chanel, do you have a pen and paper?
Yes.
So because we are doing this as an educational video, we're going to get rid of this wallet. So again, we're going to display your private keys, your mnemonic seed phrase. But Chanel's just going to put on a piece of paper, not in her sketchbook, because that's her legit book. So Chanel's going to hit I agree, and you have two options. So before we get started, Chanel's already eager. What we're going to do is create a new wallet. That's going to set ourselves up with the new wallet. What you can also do at that window is import your seed phrase. So for example, Chanel, what would you do in that case if you lost access to your laptop? If somebody stole it, how would you import?
I would use the words that they give me.
Perfect. So that's what we're setting up because we're creating a new wallet.
Right.
So hit I agree. There we go. So Chanel's going to create her own password. And again, you're seeing the limitations, but as well as the accessibility. So Chanel put in a password. Again, you can see that this is a wallet that is very accessible. However, it's not going to offer the best protection. We'll show you that later on in the course. So there you go. You also have step-by-step videos. We're going to skip that because you've got me here, Crypto Moose. So here we're going to scroll down, continue, secure wallet recommended. Okay, and now Chanel is going to reveal her words. So reveal secret recovery phrase. And these are the words. And fortunately for us, we haven't dealt with any 24 words. Some wallets, I believe when you set up the Trezor Model T, this is a 12 word, and the Trezor 1, this is going to be a 24 word. So that takes quite a bit of time. In the Ledger, I believe it's 24 words as well, depending on which one. So we're going to let Chanel write down her words. Again, chronological order. It's boring, but if you're setting up all three of these wallets, if not more in the future, make sure you write things down properly. The worst thing is if you have thousands of dollars in crypto and you lose it when the value skyrockets. So what do we do here, Chanel?
So now it's giving me a fill in the blank. So there's 12 words total and only 9 are showing. So it's asking me what the third word is, the fourth word, and the 8th word. So I'm going to look at my sheet. I wrote them all in order from 1 to 12. And I'm going to type in the third word on my sheet, the fourth word, and the 8th word. That's done. I'm going to hit confirm. Wallet creation successful.
There we go. So Chanel's an absolute pro. I can already tell that based on her setting up the first wallet, she can now basically set up any crypto wallet. As for you all as well, As long as you learn how to set up the first non-custodial wallet, meaning you own your seed phrase, then you should be able to set up any wallet. So hit next, continue. So try out now. So what we're going to do as well is we're going to close this and we're going to open up our wallet. So open up MetaMask and you're going to see it in a box form now. And I just want to show you all this because I think there's a little bit of good info here. So hit the X and got it. So of course it's just having us set things up. So Chanel officially set up her Ethereum hot wallet. This is great for if she wants to load it up with Ethereum. When you are sending Ethereum to somebody else using the blockchain, you're going to need gas. So what that's going to be is similar to sats for Bitcoin, right? It's divisible by 8 decimal points. You're going to use a bit of Ethereum gas fees in order to sign transactions and to mint NFTs. So make sure that you have Ethereum loaded up. If you're ever having any wallet issues, I've dealt with this in the past, you want to make sure that you have enough Ethereum. The other thing is under accounts, you can add accounts, you can connect to hardware wallet. So for example, if Chanel set up her wallet, but she wanted the best protection, we can also plug in our ledger. So check out that hardware wallet there, Chanel. So hold that up. This is the wallet we are using in the course primarily. We also have a Trezor. I have a lot of Cardano on here. So what you can do is connect this device to MetaMask, and that's another reason why we're using this. One other thing I wanted to mention that we'll get into later on throughout the course, while we discuss layer 1 blockchains as well as the layer 2s, those are going to be the decentralized applications that we utilize throughout the course. We're going to click on Ethereum and you can utilize different networks. So we're going to show you how to add different networks. We can use the Arbitrum, and a lot of these are brand new. They just came out in the past year. I've been utilizing them myself, yield farming, staking, and more. So we're going to keep it simple. And Chanel, hopefully you enjoyed setting up the Web3 wallet. And we'll see you all in the next one.